Aloha. Today, we have a great topic entitled, Never Judge a Book by Its Cover. How a perfectly drafted estate plan can end up harming loved ones. A perfectly drafted estate plan done many years ago may be a disaster waiting to happen. This session will describe several examples that can occur and, more importantly, how to remedy or avoid them altogether. Our speakers are Charles Clary Red and Turney Barry.
Thank you, Brian, and I joined Brian, and Turney does as well, in welcoming you all to this virtual Hawaii Tax Institute. And as Brian indicated, our subject for this session involves circumstances in which an estate plan can be crafted and created and documented in a really perfect way. But because of trust administration, things go south. So we've got a number of examples in which we illustrate how administration of trusts takes a perfectly good estate plan and makes it go in a bad direction. So for example, we look at a case that was decided several years ago by the Georgia Supreme Court, a case called Hasty against Castleberry, Turney. And in this case, we had a trust that existed for the lifetime benefit of an individual, a third-party trustee. The third-party trustee also happened to be on the board of a university. So the third-party trustee said, why don't I take $1 million out of this trust and just send that $1 million to the university? And if I do that, I will reduce the size of the life beneficiary's ultimate taxable estate, and everybody should be happy. But that's not how it worked out, is it?
Well, it turned out that the people who were going to get the money when it wasn't given to charity were not happy at all about that. Surprise, surprise. And of course, it totally violated the terms of the trust. The trust was for the benefit of the surviving spouse, and surprisingly enough, the university was not the surviving spouse. So this is one of those that just makes you shake your head. Whose bright idea was this?